If you're looking to improve the way you work, then you should consider Monday.com. Today, we'll show you what it is and why it could be exactly what you need. Let's go. Traditional ways of working often revolve around a suite of office software. Many businesses use office software for all manner of their process. This can be from document creation to logging customer information or any calls made. But office software has two flaws that go hand in hand and that are fundamental to certain types of businesses. One is task management, and this is down to spreadsheets and documents lacking contextual formatting unless you have someone who is an expert in the application. And then this is where the other flaw shows: accessibility. Setting up a spreadsheet to format across multiple tables is one thing, but then making it easily understandable for your team is another entirely. Using a spreadsheet doesn't seem that hard until your screen looks like something from the Matrix, and it usually doesn't take long to get to that point. Enter Monday.com. It's a platform designed from the ground up for ease of use and moldability to suit your requirements. While Monday.com excels at task management, the platform's item-based structure means it's flexible enough to work for multiple use cases. This ranges from a customer relationship manager or CRM, event or production management, HR tool, marketing planner, just about anything you can think of. It unites your team into one platform. It supports pre-made and custom automation options to cut down on your manual input, giving you back more of your day. Integrations with lots of popular platforms make it easier to manage your load in one place. Import emails, add files from cloud storage, bring in time tracking, and data from social media and marketing sources. And if there isn't a feature or integration for your needs, the built-in app marketplace has you covered. Every item created in Monday.com can also be commented on, social media style. Any members available can be tagged so that they're notified of when something needs their attention. It's the ultimate platform for collaboration. It can even deliver reports on all of your metrics. Want to know how well your sales have been going this month? Monday.com can tell you that and more. And for those times when you need to lighten the mood, send for the llamas. Neat, huh? There's a free trial of Monday.com to see if it fits your needs, a link of which is in the description. And if you want help building out your system, Enable is a UK preferred partner of Monday.com. Simply let us know how we can help. But that's all for today. Thank you for watching.